Hey everyone, welcome to Reasonably Perceptive, the place where we question the world around us and break down the things most people don't stop to think about. If you're into thought-provoking topics, deep dives, and a little bit of mind-bending discussion, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps more people find these conversations, and let's be real, you don't want to miss what's coming next. All right, let's get into it. So AI. It's everywhere. It's in our phones, our cars, our homes. Heck, it's even starting to write our books and songs. We created AI to serve us. But the question is, what happens when it no longer needs us? Are we developing a tool, or are we creating a ticking time bomb? The rise of AI. Let's start with how fast AI is evolving. A decade ago, AI seemed like a futuristic concept. Today, it's creating art, making decisions in businesses, driving cars, and even diagnosing diseases. We've crossed the line from AI being a tool to it being capable of doing things we never imagined possible. It's amazing, right? But here's where the fear starts creeping in. As AI grows smarter, it also grows more autonomous. And with that autonomy comes power, the fear factor. So why are we afraid of it? For starters, there's the existential fear. What happens if AI surpasses human intelligence? What if it starts to make decisions without human oversight? It's not just about robots taking over, it's about the unknown. We've all seen those sci-fi movies where AI becomes self-aware and decides humanity is obsolete. It sounds dramatic, but what if it's not that far off? And then there's the economic fear. As AI gets better at tasks that humans do, what happens to jobs? We're already seeing industries transform. AI can write code, design websites, even help in customer service. Millions of jobs could be lost to machines that work faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than humans. Ethical concerns. Then there's the ethical side of things. AI doesn't have morals, it doesn't understand human empathy, and it's only as ethical as the data we feed it. If the data is biased, the AI can make biased decisions. From hiring practices to criminal justice, AI is already influencing key decisions that can affect people's lives. We've got to ask ourselves, who's responsible if AI makes a mistake? And let's not forget the existential issue. As AI becomes more powerful, it will reflect our own flaws back at us. Think about it. AI doesn't have emotions. It doesn't have the capacity for compassion, understanding, or even curiosity. It just follows instructions. But the data we input into it comes from a world shaped by human choices, flawed, biased, imperfect choices. The solution? So, is AI the problem, or is it just reflecting our own flaws back at us? Maybe the real issue isn't AI itself, but how we choose to develop it. AI is neither inherently good nor bad. It's a tool that amplifies the strengths and weaknesses of the people behind it. Instead of fearing AI, maybe we need to fear our own inability to manage it responsibly. The real question is, how do we ensure that AI is developed with the right values, ethics, and oversight? Can we build AI that works for humanity, not against it? Is AI good or bad? In the end, the question isn't whether AI is good or bad. The question is, what kind of future are we going to build with it? The real challenge is not AI becoming self-aware. It's ensuring we don't lose control over the tools we've created. So what do you think? Are we heading toward a future where AI becomes too powerful to control, or is it all just hype? Let's talk in the comments. And remember, like and subscribe if you want more deep dives into the issues that matter. Thanks for watching, and always stay perceptive.